Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
A chieftain of the All Progressives Congress APC, Dr. Cairo Ojuogboh, says Senator Omo-Agege lost the 2023 governorship election in Delta State because he was rejected by the people. Dr. Ojuogboh, in a video obtained by Inside the Niger Delta, accuses Senator Omo-Agege of fomenting violence in his desperation to be elected governor of Delta State.
In the just concluded Delta State governorship election, candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), Right Honorable Sheriff Oborewori, had trounced his All Progressives Congress counterpart, Senator Omo-Agege, having won 21 out of 25 local government areas of Delta State. Reacting to the outcome of the governorship election, Dr. Cairo Ojuogboh, a chieftain of the APC, said Omo-Agege's defeat came as no surprise, as he was an unpopular candidate who foisted himself on the party. Dr. Ojuogboh alleged that Senator Omo-Agege, known for engaging in political violence, was desperate to be elected governor of Delta State.
You can imagine that a candidate of APC in Delta State who is running on a bandwagon effect on the APC winning at the center, who has the support of the police, the army, and everybody, he still cannot win election. In his local government, in his ward, he has to hold INEC personnel to ransom because he wants them to declare results that didn't arise from beavers. I mean, it's unbecoming. His family, they live in America. And then we have always told him that those of us who live in Nigeria here, he shouldn't destroy the Delta State for us. And we're appealing to him that this act of violence and brigandy that he's used to, that he should stop. And we're also appealing to Mr. President and the SSS and the IG to investigate the matter very seriously, because we cannot continue like this.
It would be recalled that just before final results of the 2023 Delta State governorship results were announced, State Chairman of the PDP, Kingsley Esiso, had alleged that Senator Omo-Agege was responsible for the abduction of INEC officials in his ward.
I don't tell you for local purpose that the Senator Omo-Agege was the one that kidnapped your staffs, took the materials to his house, and do what he did. That was the for him. You know, that was the law produced over 9,000. I want to be recorded for the world to hear. Thank you.
However, an agent of the APC, Efe Duko, quickly dismissed the allegation as false.
The person of the distinguished Senator Omo-Agege has been impugned here without any shred of evidence. That there is a deliberate gang up to impugn his person without any evidence. This is politics, but there should be clear lines that people should not cross. The DSP as a person has not been found wanting here. And if anybody has done this in any way, it is our position as already submitted that they should be brought to justice.
Before going ahead to declare final results of the Delta State governorship election, INEC returning officer in the state, Professor Owunari Georgewill, announced to the relief of his audience that the INEC officials held hostage had been released.
The people held hostage have been released. They have been released. So that is good news for us, good news. They have reduced. And the chairman of IPAC have said, since they have been released, the result can go.
Unwilling to accept the outcome of the 2023 governorship election in Delta State, Senator Omo-Agege has vowed to challenge it in court. However, Dr. Ojuogboh says that would be an exercise in futility, as the APC governorship candidate was roundly defeated at the polls.
Inside the Niger Delta,